Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. Today we have another lovely customer donation of unwanted jewellery. I can see that there's some boxes and some little bags. I can't wait to see what I can restore and resell or upcycle into new things. We're going to get straight into it, but please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so that you don't miss my future videos. Let's see what we've got.
Okay, I've got my gem tester warming up. I've got my magnet for checking for potential sterling silver and gold, and I've got my magnifying loupe. You can find links to all of those down in the comments. The Presidium has just heated up, so I think we're ready to go. I'm going to tip out some of our first lot into one of my trays. Well, first off we have this pot. That's going to be useful. There are some loose glass beads by the looks of it, some plastic crystals, and oh, aren't they beautiful? That need restringing maybe. It's feeling a bit slack, it just needs restringing, but I can do that. Beautiful moonstones, look at them. Gorgeous. And a useful little pot. So thank you very much to my customer if you're watching. I really appreciate all of your donations. This is what helps me to keep things out of landfill and create new things and make content for you guys as well. Let's tip this in. Oh, there's one stuck at the bottom. This one doesn't want to be saved. There we go. Let's start with that one. That is very interesting. I think it might be wood, and it looks like a sterling silver hook. Yep, it's not magnetic. Very pretty. I wonder if its mate is in here still. Oh, I can see some 925 marks on there. That's exciting, and that's marked sterling silver. Let's see what else is in here first so we don't muddle up those little bits. We've got a beautiful brass earring with what's probably an onyx, I'm guessing, in there. I can't see a mate for this one, sadly, so that will be turned into a pendant. Pretty costume earring. That's sadly missing some of its stones there. I've got a little project in mind for these costume studs that we can't do anything with, so I'm saving all of those. This is pretty. Not magnetic. It's on a sort of rainbow steel background. No 925 marks, but it does have the look and feel of sterling silver. It's really cool. These look like artisan made. They feel like aluminium that's been painted maybe, or had something transferred onto it. Very cool. That's just a pair of dangly costume. Oh, let's get them playing with their friends there. There we go. Those are quite pretty, so I'll just pop those onto new hooks, and those will go back into the shop where these were donated to. That's an interesting hook. A hoop rather, sorry. It's got a sort of hoop with a snap back. We've got a glass heart, and that looks like a sterling hook. And we've got a mate there. Beautiful. Oh, I love these hoops. You remember these hoops from the 90s? I often get broken ones in. Oh yeah, this one is looks like it needs a bit of attention there. I might be able to fix that. They're not quite matched actually, are they? But I think they are a pair, it's just that they've been handmade. They're nice and heavy too. Gorgeous. Some enamel. These look like they might be on sterling hooks, although that's definitely not sterling, but quite pretty. That's a nice little vintage drop. I can't see its friend in there, but again, that can be made into a pendant, or it could be a single earring. There's some dolphins with power shell. Those are nice. Probably put those onto hooks. That's a costume stud, but can easily be moved over onto something else. We've got the matching one to that hoop. Oh, these are beautiful. They look like sterling silver. Are they marked? Whoops. They're marked on the hooks, but not on the dolphin, so they'll need testing. But my feeling is that those are probably silver. Aren't they beautiful? Dolphin earrings were kind of big in the 90s, weren't they? Or was that just me? I can remember having a few dolphin earrings and a ring. That's got a 925 on the back and a pretty little stone in there, maybe a garnet. Should we see what the Presidium says? Yeah, garnet tourmaline iolite. Beautiful. I think that probably was an earring, but I will make it into a pendant. Just show you again. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. These are costume, but I can clip them off of those studs and make them dangly. I like the sparkle in those. And then we've got another rainbow steel. I wonder if that was all from the same maker. That could be made into a little pendant or a single earring to go with the others. This one looks like it could be silver. Yes, it's got a 925 marking in there. Isn't that beautiful? That will be made into a pendant because there's only one, sadly, of those. I don't feel like I've lost very many earrings. I might be jinxing myself by saying that, but I don't feel like I've lost very many pairs of single earrings over my lifetime, but I get single earrings in all the time. Some people must just be really prone to it. It's sad, isn't it, when you have single ones, but nice that I can make them into other things. So this is magnetic. I think that is just a costume hoop. And costume crosses. I'm not sure I can do much with those because there's nothing to cut and rehang them. So perhaps they'll be cleaned and put into pre-loved. And that's the other one of those that we found earlier. It's nice to have a pair. What have we got here? That's a little gemstone, piece of quartz maybe. And there's a pair on those. They're really sweet. I'll probably put those onto a new pair of studs. And a single black onyx stud. That is definitely sterling silver. It's got a mark on the back of it there. Beautiful. What a lovely donation this is. Loads of sterling silver. How generous. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's been hammered. It's got a little stone in the middle. 95 on the back for sterling. Shall we see what the Presidium says on this one? Whoops. No movement at all on the Presidium, although I've just realised I didn't actually calibrate it. Okay, let's try that again. I wonder if it might be amber. It's stunning anyway, really beautiful. And we've got a heart with lots of hearts. What does that say on it there? Let me just look through the loop. It says 95 and can't see what the maker is on there, but if you recognise it, let me know. And I don't really know what it is. Maybe it's just missing its loop. Perhaps it hung on a necklace like that. I'll do a Google Lens search on it in case I can find another one for sale somewhere. Shed a bit more light on that one. Oh, this is a very pretty pendant. What is that? There's a bit of shell there. Oh, look at the back. That's been beautifully made. So we've got a 95 on the back. That's really unusual. I guess it must be one piece of shell, but I've never seen anything like that with a piece of shell inside it. How cool. Oh, look, we've got a pretty pair of earrings, whoops, to match that gorgeous pendant. Aren't they stunning? Absolutely love those. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And 2 little silver hearts. Those I can see are sterling, although I can't see a mark on them. Might just be one just there. Those just need a new pair of hooks. Those are a very easy save. And possibly silverback. And this little packet is marked sterling silver, and it has loads of hooks in. So perhaps this person has bought some of these pre-loved and decided to change the hooks. That's what I've always done for my own. Although now I know how to antibacterially clean them. That's another option, but I've always just changed them over. So that's a nice silver donation. Wow, we've still got more in this bag. Oh look, we've got a necklace to match those sparkly earrings that we found. It's really unusual, I like that one. Ah, and a necklace to match the earrings. So this person obviously likes to wear sets. That's really pretty, isn't it? It's just a costume piece, but it's been nicely done. This is fun, look at that. I think they're just plastic, but a real statement piece. Oh, and it's attached to some beautiful tiger's eye. Let's get this off. Wow, look at that heart. That is gorgeous. This has been nicely done with a macrame knot at the top. That is so pretty. I think given the work that's gone into that, I will try to sell it pre-loved before pulling it apart. But if I did pull it apart, I would make these into rings and then this into a new pendant. Very pretty. Sparkly bracelet, that will go into pre-loved. These are those Pandora style beads and necklaces. I think Next sold them and I've had lots of those donated. It's even got the Pandora style clasp on it there. I think that'll go into pre-loved. This is pretty. It's costume, but would be nice for a special occasion, wouldn't it? Bit of sparkles. Oh, somebody's made this one as well. Just pretty little glass beads. And there's a matching necklace. Big pendant with some shell. So that one can go onto a new cord. Ooh, that's lovely. I think it's coming out a slightly different colour on the screen. It's probably a bit more blue on the screen than it is in real life. It's very turquoise, a bit of pale turquoise. You can see it's a real stone. I suppose it could be howlite. Don't know enough about turquoise. I can see there's a 925 on the bail there, so it's sterling silver. Beautiful. This one is costume, but it's a really lovely cat's eye, so I'll pop that onto a new pendant. What's this little dainty piece? This looks sweet. Seed beads that have been wire wrapped. I've never seen that before with seed beads. Gosh. That's taken a little bit of work and good eyesight, hasn't it? Oh, I see. It's just broken here off the chain. Well, I can fix that quite easily. It doesn't look like it's been made in silver. Probably silver plate. It's got a real 90s retro look to it. I'll enjoy fixing that one. We've got a cross with a piece of amethyst in the middle. And that's just on a costume chain, but it's a fun piece. Again, that reminds me of the 90s too. This has got a silver marking on the back. What does it say? Let me just look through the loop. It says foreign silver on the back. And it's a pretty little pearl. The bail is magnetic. Oh, the whole thing is magnetic. I don't really know what that means, foreign silver. Perhaps it's a very low grade silver. We've got a cord. I wonder if that might be perhaps where that came from. And another piece of cord. That cord has seen better days, but I'll reuse those glass beads that are on there. Wow, what a gorgeous, gorgeous donation. Thank you so much to my lovely customer for dropping these in for me to reuse. I shall definitely enjoy giving these new life and making new things, particularly these beautiful pendants and those stunning earrings. There was loads of silver earrings. Gorgeous. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so that you can see my future videos. I'm always doing unboxings, and I've been doing one every week for quite a few months now, so there's lots to see on the channel. If you haven't looked before, I'll pop some links on the screen for you to check out as well. See you in the next one.